Alright guys, welcome back to the Sawmill. April the 24th, one more day closer to the new Sawmill getting here. Actually, I have to go get it. I'm heading up to Wood-Mizer up in Indianapolis on May the 6th to pick it up. So we should have it back here that week and hopefully get solid. I got so much logs here I've accumulated over the past few weeks, I'm really getting behind. Got a lot of interesting stuff here to put on the new mill when it arrives. I've got some box elders, some Chinese chestnut, some hickory, some stuff you guys not seen on this channel before, so we should have some pretty good stuff lined up once we get it in here. So I've not put any videos out in a few weeks here, but I've been pretty busy trying to get things squared away and cleaned up. We moved up here to this place in the winter, actually in the fall, but winter was coming on pretty strong by the time we got settled in. And up here in the tool area of the shop, which is over here, which is closed off from the sawmill area, things are just a mess. I've not even unpacked my tools yet. So I've been trying to get things organized since I've had some downtime with no sawmill being here. And I came up here yesterday in the sawmill part of the building just to clean the sawdust up and get it ready for the new mill here in about 2 weeks. And I had sawdust just everywhere in here. It was ridiculous. Every little crack of this building had sawdust in it. So what I'm gonna try to do before the sawmill gets here, key word is try to do. Who knows what will come up between now and then. I've been getting so many logs in here recently. I've gotten really behind on other stuff. But what we're going to try to do is install some type of a dust collection system in here for the sawmill, because that dust just gets everywhere. And I know it's not going to solve 100% of it, but I'd hopefully get rid of a lot of the dust that comes out of that mill and really save on time at the end of every day scooping that stuff up and cleaning it. So today I got a lot going on. I'm up here in the sawmill shed. I got the fans going on these stacks. I put these barrel fans in front of my stacks to really decrease the amount of air drying time before it goes into the kiln. And I didn't even talk about the kiln yet. I spent the whole entire last week wiring up the kiln, and it's running. And I actually shut it down yesterday. My first load has already been dried. And we'll be taking that out of the kiln either today or in the morning. And as soon as we get the kiln empty, I gotta put another load right back in it. I got some 9/4 walnut to go back in it, and also some 9/4 white oak. All of it's been air dried, so you can mix that species a little bit. Since it's been air dried, you're okay. Here guys, I'm wearing sunglasses today, as you can tell. And in the past, I've gotten lots of comments about these sunglasses, about, hey, you can't wear sunglasses on videos, I wish you'd take those off, you can't trust a guy who wears sunglasses, blah, blah, blah. So the reason being, guys, in the spring and summertime, while I wear these sunglasses on a lot of these videos is, I have terrible allergies, just terrible. My eyes water up, they get red and puffy, I sneeze all the time. I've been sneezing all morning. I probably sound kind of hoarse this morning as I'm talking to the camera. But that's the reason I wear these glasses most of the time is I got terrible allergies. Eyes are puffed up, bloodshot, looks like I've been smoking the devil's lettuce. It's just ridiculous. If it bothers you that I'm wearing these sunglasses, believe me, my allergies bother me a lot more. So I was going to unload the kiln this morning and put the next load in it, but I got a phone call from the freight company about an hour ago, about the time I took Bruno to school, that a shipment just came in. So I'm gonna hook up the trailer, I'll go up there and get it and bring it back. Got a new tool for the sawmill today, guys. Probably can't turn it on today because I've got to run an outlet for it. We'll at least be able to get it here, get it off the crate, and hopefully the roller base came with it as well. That thing's gonna be heavy, it weighs like 1,000 pounds. So let's hook the trailer up, hit up the road, and see what we got.